In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use app.photoroom.com to create and adjust the warmth of your photos, making them look just right. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. So, let's jump right in. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to app.photoroom.com. You'll find yourself on the homepage where the magic starts. Once you're there, be sure to click on the Create section featured prominently on the site. This is your entry point to tap into a world of creative possibilities and set the stage for your project. Next, you will need to add the photos you wish to edit. Look for the option that says Drop one or more photos. Click on this and you'll be prompted to upload your images. You can either drag and drop your files directly from your computer or click to browse your device's file system. Choose the photos you want, and they will be uploaded to the platform, ready for you to work your editing magic. After your photos are uploaded, the editing interface awaits. You'll want to locate the Adjust button, which is like your command center for making changes to your images. By clicking on Adjust, you're opening the door to a variety of tools that allow you to fine-tune the look of your photos. Now, here's where it gets a bit more nuanced. Within the Adjust section, there are multiple sliders to experiment with, but today we're focusing specifically on one, the Warmth slider. You'll need to scroll down slightly until you spot this adjustment tool. It's a simple yet powerful way to tweak the color temperature of your image, giving it either a cooler or warmer hue. Once you've found the Warmth slider, it's time to make your adjustments. Using your mouse, click and hold onto the slider. Moving it to the right will add warmth, giving your image those rich, sunlit tones, while dragging it to the left will reduce warmth, creating a cooler, more subdued feel. Take your time to move the slider back and forth until you find the perfect balance that meets your creative vision. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your photos, discovered the Adjust menu, and learned how to use the Warmth slider to enhance your images. Remember, the key to mastering any tool is practice, so feel free to experiment with different settings and find what works best for you. With app.photoroom.com, you're well equipped to transform your photos into stunning visual pieces. Thanks for following along, and happy editing!